Welcome to our channel. If you want to use temporary phone numbers for trial service registrations while protecting your privacy, follow these step-by-step instructions responsibly and within service terms. Step 1. Understand that while temporary phone numbers can help manage trial accounts, using them to violate service terms or create multiple accounts against platform policies may result in account termination. Step 2. Research legitimate temporary phone number services like Google Voice, Burner, or Text Now that provide real phone numbers for verification purposes. Step 3. Create an account with your chosen temporary phone number service, providing the required information and completing any initial verification they require. Step 4. Select a temporary number from available options, preferably choosing a local area code to avoid potential flags from service verification systems. Step 5. When signing up for a trial that requires phone verification, enter your temporary number in the phone field and wait for the verification code. Step 6. Retrieve the verification code from your temporary number services interface and enter it on the trial registration page to complete the verification process. Step 7. Document which temporary numbers you've used for which services to avoid confusion and ensure you can access verification codes if needed for account recovery. Step 8. Maintain your temporary number for the duration of the trial in case you need to receive additional verification codes or account-related messages from the service. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.